It's your girl Nisha B, and we are back with another video. We are in my front yard garden. This is on the side of my house. I have this tote that I'm experiencing with trying to turn into a raised bed. So I have did a tire before, and it worked out fine. Now this tote, I'm not sure if I got enough dirt, so I plan on buying some more soil to add to it. But y'all, I got lemon cucumbers and cucamelons growing. Let me show you how the cucamelon look. That little bitty one is the cucamelon. I'm gonna put a trellis over here, a net trellis over here, so we can attach to. I think this is gonna be a better spot because I live in Mississippi and we get so much sun that it's not gonna beat down on these cucamelon. I don't know if they like a lot of sun or not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 more new seedlings over here in my normal cucumber patch, which is starting to die off, but we are succession sowing, so we have some seedlings already down there. But we also have cucumbers. You guys look at them. We're going to pick those off today. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it on camera, but they got to come off. Look at them. Alright, back to the cucamelon. So we're going to put some cucamelons over there. I did the paper towel germination method this time. So I'm gonna let you see how they look in just a minute. Alright, you guys, so my napkins, they are too wet because last night I checked on them and I realized that it was time to put them down, and I did not want them to dry out before I got a chance to put them down. So let's take a look. Alright, these are the cucamelon and these are the lemon cucumber. Look at those. Look at that. So let's put these down in the ground in the bucket. Keep out. I'm almost done. So I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna put this one right here in the ground in my bed over here, and we're gonna put these 2. We're gonna leave it inside the napkin, and we're gonna put it in the bucket right here. I'm gonna put them back here some. Okay. So voila, we're gonna get us some more dirt, and we're gonna cover that some more. You want to cover it all the way up. So I'm gonna put some more dirt on the napkin part, but you want to cover it all the way up as much as you can. You want to leave the leaves out, but you want to cover as much of the white part as you can. Leave out just a little bit. So that's how that method goes when they get that long. Alright, this one we're going to put in the bed over here. And I'm going to do the cucamelons off camera. But yeah, you guys, that is basically how you do these. So we're going to stick my finger right here. Get a nice amount of dirt up. Stick it down, stem and all those rootage down. We're gonna do that like that. Alright. So lemon cucumbers down. Cucamelons, we're gonna pretty much do those the same way. I'm gonna separate each one. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much how you do the bag germination method. And also I just want y'all to see how my cucamelons going. So there's the cucamelons update. And we got the paper towel bag germination method as well on this video. If you want to see more things like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, press that like button if you liked it on the way, if you like this video. Alright, you guys. Happy gardening. See y'all next time.